Hey everybody, this is Lisa. I am coming on with a small Temu haul that came in yesterday. I don't know when this video is going up, but I'm just talking. But y'all, I was gone that day, and when I got home and I pulled up in the driveway, it had been raining in the Atlanta area all day on and off. And when I tell you, I pulled up in my driveway, and tell me why my package was sitting in the middle of my driveway. And I'm like, what in the world? But you know what? It ain't the first time. It is not the first time that has happened. But I'm paying attention. And it's not the post office that's doing it. It's not FedEx. It's not UPS. It is these, I don't know what you call them. I guess, what's the word I'm looking for? Oh my God, my mind went blank. Independent, I guess, delivery services. I don't know, but it's not the first time that they will leave your package in the middle of your driveway and will proudly take a picture of it. I mean, can these people not see that they're leaving it in the middle of somebody's driveway? It blows my mind. I mean, what if somebody hadn't been paying attention and they ran over it? That's my thoughts. Plus, it had been raining on and off all day. And that's what you call don't care. But anyway, that's my rant, y'all. That's my rant for the day. So I'm just going to pull some stuff out of the bag, how they come. These are the little gold centers that I love to use. And I see that Temu has them. They just popped up in my feed. I normally would get them from AliExpress. But the last time I got these, I really bought them like in bulk. And I can't remember where it was. But yeah, several places have these. But these make the center of your flowers so pretty. So I got one in gold and 50 pieces come in a pack. And I will show you because I have this package right here that I have not mailed out yet. And I made some flowers so you can see what they look like. So this is what they look like when you put them in the center of your flowers. So that's the gold, and then here is silver. And it does come in both. They do come, I believe, in a bronze as well. But it makes your flowers so pretty. So, got that. And I know, yep, I got 2 of the gold, 3 of the gold. And then I have a silver. So, these are 2 different color golds. I think they call this bright gold or something. But this right here is not rose gold. It is gold, but this is just a brighter gold. Maybe KC gold. I don't know. Different companies call it different things. But I just got some more of those. And then on one of my other Temu junk journaling haul, I think is what I called it. I had ordered some little like laces and trims and stuff. So I really liked it. So I went back and I ordered some more. And this is a pink. Now this is elastic. But look how cute. So I got it in pink. Then I got it in blue. And this is a really pretty, like a pale yellow. It may be coming off a little bit brighter, but it's really pretty. And this is like a mint green and purple. And another white. And I think I got 2 whites in my last one. Y'all, I don't know. Sometimes I don't know what I'm doing on Temu. I ain't got no business on there, really. I think they slipped stuff in my cart. So, look how little that trim is. So, that would be real cute, like on the edges of your papers and stuff. Just because it's so little and dainty. It does have a little elastic, but it is so pretty. So I got that in white. I think the last one that I got was supposed to be pink, but it actually came like a mauve color. But I did get the white. It's really pretty. I got these here, and I do remember ordering these, but I don't know, for some reason, I thought that they were going to be just a tad bit smaller. Now, these are still small, but I thought they were going to be just a little bit smaller. And these are like the bulldog clips. So, I got those. And I am going to have 10 pieces. And these are silver. I'm going to have the link to my order in the description box, and then all you have to do is just click on that. So I got some of this, what do you call this? The Chanel trim, but I got it in red. And then I got it in, this is like a, kind of like a hunter green. So I was thinking Christmas. And this is pink, but it still has that mauve color. I think that's one of the main things that disappoints me with Temu is if you're thinking you're getting a pale pink or a I don't know, baby pink. Sometimes it comes in mauve, and it does not look mauve on the screen. And I understand that the screen's monitors are different, but I think they should name it something other than pink when it's the mauve color. So I did get gold. Like I said, I thought they were a little bit smaller, but it's okay. Oh, and then I got this color green. It's like a olive, like a bright olive green. Really pretty. I like that color. I do have some Christmas Echo Park papers that has a little bit of this green in it. Okay, here is another one of those little dainty elastic ones in black. So cute. And then I got some embossing folders. And these are like 3D. So these are balloons. I don't know how well you can see, but it is balloons all over it. And it is a 3D. So we'll see how that turns out. So I got that. And then I got this one. It has bows all over it. Now, I don't know. These may be knockoffs from other companies. I apologize if they are. But, you know, Lisa can't keep up with everything. But these are some pretty bows. Look how pretty. So pretty. Got that. And then I got this. This is a big butterfly. And this is like a heat transfer. And it's like patchwork. And it has strawberries on it. Look how pretty. That is so pretty. So that's going to be cute on like a little bag. And then I got this one here that is just strawberries. But it's still patchwork. And this one comes with 3. They're all the same, but they look like this. Isn't that adorable? I love the patchwork. So cute. So those will be cute on just like some little fabric drawstring bags or the little handles bags from Hobby Lobby. Here's another dainty trim that is in purple. And this one is real dainty. And I think I got this in the last one in a different color. But this is like a khaki color. But look how little. The little loops. Really cute. And it is just, it's little. And I think all of these was 1 or 2 yards. Let's figure that out. And I'm guesstimating. Yeah, 2 yards. And I'm sure it's going to say, and if you click the link. So I got that one. And then I got these bows. I got 2 packs of these. I know. Let me get the other one. And this is 1 pack. And they are random. They have a little pearl. Oh, the pearl's off of that one. Yep, the pearl came off of that one, but I can stick one on there. So I got those colors in that one. And in this one, I got these colors, which they're mostly the same, except this one, I got a yellow one. And this one, I got the hot pink. The rest of them are the same. So that is fun. I'm just going to put these all back in the same one before I put them up. And then I did buy a few dies. Like I said, I'm sorry if they knockoffs. I just don't know. This is like a cherry. So like a double cherry, then you can layer it. And you could layer the stems. So I got that one. And this one. And when I tell y'all, I know Temu puts the, they do put the sizes. But I'm looking at the picture. So technically it's my fault. But this one says you did it. Like a graduation. But when I tell you that card that they had it on, it covered the whole front of that card. But all I had to do is swipe to the right and I could have seen the size. So, yeah. I ain't complaining because it's my fault. If I'm at fault, I'm going to say I'm at fault. Same thing with this one. This one just says grad. And it has 2 layers. They did get that part right, given the 2 layers. But this one, again, was across the screen. Y'all go look at it. Y'all see what I'm talking about? Now, this one, I think it was kind of big on the card, too. But this was, it had where it was layered up in that picture. But this is only 1 layer. All of these letters are separate and not connected. It says Happy Father's Day. But on the picture, it had a layering piece. But I'm probably not going to use this because I'm not doing all them letters like that. And then especially not having a back layering piece. I got this one here, and this is just like a little pot with a flower. That's all that is. And then this one is like I guess it's like a sunflower, but it has, it's like a little flag over here. And then you got the stars. And then somehow this piece is going to go over here somewhere. But I'll have to look at the picture again. But we'll see how that comes out. And then I got these little ladybugs here. And it's just they just layer up. So they're little, and you know, I kind of like that because you can easily put that on, you know, an embellishment or something. So I like that. Y'all, that is it for my little Temu haul. And y'all go click on that link and go look at look at them cards, and y'all see what I'm talking about. Temu got me on those, but I should have read, right? But that is it, you guys. Like I said, the link will be in the description, and I will see y'all in the next video. Y'all have a good one.